Eagle Logistic is a 21st-century logistics company designed for handling large-scale data movement and infrastructure. It is built on an event-driven architecture, drawing inspiration from Lovable AI to ensure efficiency and scalability. Lovable AI empowers developers to build high-quality software without writing code, making software development more accessible than ever. With just a simple prompt, Lovable AI generates the code for you, effortlessly bringing your ideas to life. As demonstrated in the video, we want to create a dockercompose.yaml file using the following images: Kibana, Elasticsearch, Kafka. Lovable AI will generate the YAML files and also try creating a front-end interface. Remember, we are only interested in the YAML generated from Lovable AI. For our demo, the Eagle Logistic app will act as a producer, sending real-time data to a Kafka topic as movements occur. We will have two consumers processing this data. Consumer 1 consumes data from the Kafka topic, deserializes it, and inserts it into an Elasticsearch index. Consumer 2 also consumes data from the Kafka topic but inserts it into a table in Azure SQL database instead. Sit back, relax, and experience the power of Lovable AI in action.